Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update installing algorithm 0x8007012a. So how to fix this problem? So very easy to fix. Firstly search troubleshoot settings and open it. Troubleshoot settings and other troubleshoots, just click on it. And another way to open troubleshoot, first open settings. Now open settings and scroll down and troubleshoots and other troubleshoots. So these two methods you can open troubleshoot. Now Windows Update, click on run. Now wait some few minutes till this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it and search CMD. Now run as administrators. Click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type this command line sfc space /scan. Now this sfc space /scan. Now type this command line and press enter and wait some few minutes till this process will be 100%. If this process will be 100%, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.